This video is about co-packing matcha. Are you into matcha? You ever thought about starting your own business? Looking for a co-packer in bags and canisters and ready-to-consume drinks? Zens Tea House can help you with your matcha. You don't even have to buy our matcha. You send us the matcha and we will package it for you. Yes, matcha is growing in popularity and people are trying to keep up with it. And they figured out how to get matcha into the hands of people. It's a health-conscious drink. It's energized. It's full of green nutrients, polyphenols, antioxidants, and it doesn't provide the same crash that a lot of energy drinks, including coffee, can do. If you want help with your matcha business, then pay attention to this video. My name is Fernando. I'm the founder and CEO of Zens Tea House, and our mission is helping people through the power of tea. And we do this by providing opportunities for people who want to start their tea business. We have a channel called Growing the Tea Industry. It's on YouTube. Please take a look at the link below. When it comes to matcha, matcha is a trendy topic, but it's also been around for hundreds of years. The Japanese, they're really the ones that make matcha so great. Yes, there's Chinese matcha, which is very much inferior. There's Taiwanese matcha, even Indians, it's hard to find, but they even offer matcha. But matcha is primarily Japanese, and there's different grades. If you want help promoting your matcha business, setting up tea ceremonies, or just even learning how to price the matcha, we've already done a lot of the hard work. And we're not even going to try to compete with you because Zens Tea House knows that there's so many grades of matcha and most people don't know where to start. One of the things that I found when people are entering into the matcha industry is they haven't counted the cost, the margins, the fluctuation of prices with tariffs, and of course the consistency. There are many people who are getting into the matcha industry and they're actually coloring their matcha. There's certain ways to measure your matcha by how the bubbling is, the texture, but really it's all about experience. If you're looking for help with your matcha business, whether it's co-packing, drop shipping, growing your online business, or even help getting set up and doing events, email info@zenstea.com. Our goal is to help grow the tea industry, and we love to help you launch and grow your matcha business.